Thank you to each and every one of the 1,000 subscribers that I've now got on the channel. Thank you to those who have stayed with the channel from the previous layout, which was the Sandwich and Ashford Model Railway. I hope you enjoy the Trent Valley Railway as we go forwards. And to say thank you, here's some highlights from both layouts since I reached 500 subscribers a couple of years ago. Hello and welcome to the Sandwich and Ashford Model Railway, and this is the December update. This will be the last update on this channel, as I've now finished the Ashford section and the Sandwich section on the layout. So all I'd like to say now is thank you very much to all my subscribers over the past 2 and a bit years, which it has taken me to build this layout. And thank you for all your comments and likes on my videos. to Trent Valley Railway. So the first two boards for the layout have been constructed. Both of these boards are 3 foot by 4 foot boards. There's two sections there, and the one in the far corner has been cut out around the breeze blocks. Each of the boards are supported by a timber frame using softwood timber, which is 22 by 47mm, that goes around the edge of each layout board, and there are also two supporting beams underneath the layout. Hello and welcome to the July 2018 layout update for the Trent Valley Railway. In this update, I'll take you on a tour of the incline so far. This is the first corner that the incline has to negotiate, and I've cut out the curve there with the plywood. I'll talk about the next steps for the incline, and the next stage of this is then to add in those timber frames coming out from the walls, and I'll test some of the rolling stock up and down the incline. Hello and welcome to the Trent Valley Railway for the October 2018 layout update. In this update we'll have the latest on the incline build. As we look around this section here that I'm currently working on, you'll notice in the corner that's just sort of wedged into the wall at the moment. We'll look at the safety measures in place for the incline. Here is the safety measure that I've put into place on the incline. And we'll have a look at some trains being tested up and down the incline.